What is going on, guys? This is Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2019 Volvo XC60 Momentum. With the Momentum trim, we get just about every single thing Volvo has to offer. Starting up on this front grille, we've got a front-facing camera. We'll come around to the side here. Cameras under each rearview mirror. These great looking two-tone alloy rims, aluminum trim around the windows. We got a dual exhaust back here with a backup camera, of course. Automatic opening trunk with rubber mats in the back. Tons of cargo space. Close that. But other than that, we got blind spot monitors and keyless entry. Let's take a look at the interior. As for the interior, it's just as packed as the exterior. We got tons of stuff on the interior of this car. Starting off with the rear view mirrors, you can tap both left and right buttons and the mirrors will fold in. You can see that blind spot monitor marking on the corner of the mirror. Up on the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise control. You can see it up there. We got pilot assist and adaptive cruise control. A full digital screen gauge cluster. Up on this screen here, we have basically an iPad in front of us. So we got our climate control up on the screen. Navigation up here. If we go to the left, we get all of our vehicle functions, being lane keeping assist, parking assist, blind spot monitors, cruise control. We got everything on this page, all the alerts for the car. Then on the third page here, we have sound experience, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth, AM and FM radio. Down here we have our push to start. It's not necessarily a push to start, but it's kind of like a twist to start. So you'll twist that to turn it on and off, and then we got our drive mode knob just under it. Just tap it and it'll pull up all the drive modes: eco, comfort, dynamic, and off-road. We got a full black leather interior, sits 5 people extremely comfortably. Tons of leg room. Front 2 seats are heated, and so is the steering wheel. The steering wheel is leather wrapped as well. Up above us we have a huge panoramic moonroof that goes all the way to the back of the car. Controls are just up here for that. Then we have an almost endless looking rear view mirror with the compass up on top of it. It also comes with HomeLink. But other than that, we have our premium upgraded sound system by Harman & Kardon, as well as our backup camera. I'll show you the backup camera. There's 4 cameras on the outside of the car, so we get lots of views. So there's the backup. The lines move as you twist the steering wheel. Then you get the 360 view with all 4 of the cameras. And you can tap on each camera, get the view of that specific camera. There's a ton to do on the interior of this vehicle. It is jam-packed with awesome features. To wrap it up, guys, this Volvo is a one-owner vehicle with just under 15,000 miles. It's got no damages or accidents on its Carfax report, and it is in amazing condition. Under the hood, we got a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that gets us up to 28 miles per gallon. As we saw in the interior, we got a completely upgraded, technologically advanced everything. Just everything is awesome in there. 4 cameras on the outside of the vehicle. We got these sweet two-tone sporty looking rims, and the key is bright red. So come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check this car out. We'll see you guys soon.